Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope all of you are fine. Now I will show you how to say opening and closing for speaking presentation procedure of recipe or manual. Let's see the example. Good morning everybody, let me introduce myself. I am blah 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 and my friend blah blah blah. Now I would like to have presentation of procedure of how to make blah blah blah, how to operate blah blah blah, how to use blah blah blah. Okay guys, that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. See you later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone, my name is Orsida Putri Amira. You can call me Amira. It's my friend. Her name is
Ana Sudirani. You can call me Ana. My name is Chandani Tilviramawati. You can call me Chandani. My name is Baby Rosita Malani. You can call me Baby.
And today we want to tell you about how to make instant noodles.
The tool is scissor, spoon, fork, and box.
Stop and start.
The ingredient is
Snack TikTok,
chili powder, sauces, and Indomie seasoning.
how to serve.
Right?
Boil the noodles 400